Good evening, students. Welcome to the Bodhi Academy live class. So, today we are going to see an important topic, a very important topic that is called as puzzles. Now, two things we have. We have problems of two category. One, it comes as puzzle, and one, it comes as sitting arrangement. Puzzles and sitting arrangement. Now, these two problems, these two chapters consist of your approximately, if you cover about your government exam like as banking or your insurance like LIC, it comes around 15 to 20 marks directly. If you consider about GPSC, there also it consists of 5 plus marks alone 5 plus marks. Now, so today we'll be seeing in one of the topic of puzzle. Now, puzzle. What is puzzle? Puzzles, there are few types, various types of puzzles, and we will see the problems on the various types of puzzles. You can call first one as box based. Second, you can call it as floor based, profession based. Next, day, month, and year based. Day, month, and year based. So these are the most popular, like this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth. Sixth type you can say, and seventh type you can consider it as miscellaneous, randomly which is asked. They do not follow a particular pattern. So profession based, box based, floor based, day based, month based, year based. One more we have, you can call it as age based. These are the types of puzzles we have. Note it down, the different types of puzzles, so that when you practice the questions, you can select the topic and practice. Now, you can see the problem in front of you. Okay, you can see a problem. It's like a paragraph, and you have to find the solution. You have to find the pattern. Now, how to start with it? How to start with it? If we see, the instruction is given from here to here, and then question is given from here to here. Now, what is the instruction? There are 7 boxes P, Q, R, S, T, U, V kept one above the other. Then the bottommost number is numbered as 1 and the topmost number is numbered as 7. So what is given? That let us consider 7th box, 6th box, 5th, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, we can consider this. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are these now? See, these are the boxes, okay? Box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, box number 4, box number 5, 6, 7. Now, these boxes, again, we will put two conditions. We have to arrange them according to the situation. So we have 7 boxes P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. That's why we have arranged in this manner. If there was 8 boxes, we will write 8. If there was 9 boxes, we will write 9. Now, box R is kept at 4th position from the bottom. This is the first, second, third, fourth position from the bottom. R and R. We will always write two conditions parallelly. Next. 2 boxes are kept between box S and R. Now, 2 boxes are kept, okay. So, gap of, see, R here the 4th one. So now it is saying that two boxes are kept between S and R. So if this is S, then there is a gap of two boxes, then there is R. Direction is not known. Like S is on the top or R is on the top, we don't know. So we will write like this. Arrow is double-sided. R can come, sorry, S can come down also, S can go on the top also. Now, if you take two boxes gap, S will come here. If you two boxes gap, S will come here. These are the two conditions satisfied. Box U is kept adjacent to box S. Box U is kept adjacent to box S. That means what? U will come here and U will come here. Adjacent means what? Adjacent means the box is just immediately either previous or immediately below or immediately top. Box V is kept immediately above box Q. Box V is kept immediately above box Q. See, immediately word is important, okay? Immediately above box Q. Now Q is kept on an even number position. Now Q, if V is kept above Q, then Q is kept at even number means 2, 4 or 6. Correct? 2, 4 or 6. So what are the positions we have for V and Q? Now see in the first condition, we cannot place V and Q in the fifth. Why? Because if we place V on the fifth, Q cannot come. So if we place V on the third, Q can come on the second. Why? Because Q cannot come on the first one. So if Q comes on the second, V will come on the third. Again, in the second condition, Q will come on the sixth because Q has to be an even number. Then V will come on the seventh. This is done. Next is the box P is kept above box T. So P is kept above box T. So box P is kept above box T, box P is kept above box T. Now all the conditions are satisfied and we have two situations left, two conditions left. But we know that only one condition will stand. So our last line will be the deciding one. More than two boxes are kept between them. More than two boxes means what? Minimum three. 3, 4, 5, 6. That is called more than two boxes. So now see, between them means what? Between P and T. So if P is here, P is here. How many boxes are there in the first case? 1, 2, 3, R, V, and Q. In the second case, we have only one boxes. So this case will be eliminated. This case will withstand. So answer will be your first one. Note it down. I'll give you time of 1 minute. Okay, done. Next. Now the question which are asked on this, see the questions are very easy. Once your presentation is done, once your representation is done, then questions are very easy. How many boxes are kept above V? So how many boxes are kept above V? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 4 is not given directly. So question number 2 means set number 2. These are in sets. Okay, so this is question number 6 to 10. Now, 6 boxes A, B, C, D, E, F are kept from east to west. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know this is east and this is west. This is east, this is west. Two conditions always we will write. Two boxes are there between E and A. Okay, this is not E, okay, this is east. This is not mentioned, or this is not the element of the question. This is the direction. Two boxes are kept between E and A. So E and two boxes are kept between E and A. Direction is not known. Now A, which is given just after A. So A is placed second to the west of C. A is placed second to the west of C, like this. This is the first to the west, second to the west. A is placed second to the west of C. F is placed immediately next to box A. F is placed next to box A. Okay. F is placed immediately next to box A. So they are neighbors. Now, B is not placed immediately next to box C. So B and C are not nearby each other. Box B and C are not immediately to next to each other. Now box B is not kept any of the extreme end. So box B is at the end, it is not there. Now two boxes are there between B and D. B and D, there are two boxes. D is in place immediately next to the box C. C and D are together. C and D are together placed. Now, these are the data which we are given. We will cross check once. Two boxes are there between E and A. Yes. A is placed second to the west of C. Yes, A is placed second to the west of C. B is not placed immediately next to box C. Okay. B is not placed immediately next to box C. F is placed immediately next to box A. Direction is not given. Next. Box B is not kept at any of the extreme end. Box B is not kept at the any of the extreme end. So now see our this thing is so clear that B will come here and D will come here. Why? Because we have B and two boxes gap between B and D. So in that, and B cannot be at the extreme end. So B will come here, D will come here, or you can take B here and D here, or you can take B here, D here, and one more fourth condition will come. You can take D here and B here. So now this condition is satisfied. Now, what is the next thing? Next thing is we have C and D. Now, there are no person gap between C and D. So either C can come here and D can come here. Okay. So if C, remember, this is the first case, second case, first case, second case, third case, and fourth case. So if C comes here, A will come here. See, look at this one. If C comes here, then A will come here. But if I write C, then A cannot come here. So in that case, C will come here and A will come here. Now here, in the second case, C can come here because C and D are neighbors, but A cannot come here. So this second case is false. Again, if C comes here, A will not go on the left. So C will come here and A will come here. Fourth case is again at the false. So this is done. And B and C cannot be together. That is also done. What is left with? F and A are together. F and A are together. Now done. In the case number third, F can come either here. F can come either here. That means F is not coming nearby to A. So third case is eliminated. So F will come here in the first case. And who is left? A done, B done, C, D. Okay. And given that there are two gap between E and A. Two gap between E and A. So this is your final answer. E, B, F, A, D, C. E, B, F, A, D, C. Note it down. I'll give you 30 seconds. Question number, state number third. State number third. There are 7 boxes. Okay. This is same like the first one. Repetition of the question. Okay. M N O P Q R S are kept east to west. 6 boxes. 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 boxes are kept from east to west. Okay. So we will represent the 7 boxes first. Three boxes are there between M and M. 3 boxes are there between M and N. O is kept immediately west of N. 3 boxes are placed between O and P. More than 3 boxes are placed between P and Q. More than 3 boxes means what? Minimum is 4. So between P and Q, there are minimum of 4 boxes are placed. It could be more also. Next, R is placed somewhere west of S but east of P. Means what? R is placed somewhere west of S but east of P. Like this. So P, R, S. This will go like this. Now, that means what? What this statement indicates, R is placed somewhere west of S but east of P. Means what? There are 2 people at least, okay, this is not exact. At least there are 2 people on the east side of P. That means maximum P can come here. Maximum P can come there. But there has to be 4 people minimum gap between P and Q. That means P cannot come in the east side. So P will always be remain on the western side. If P remains on the west side, 1, 2, 3, 4, Q will come here. If P remains here, Q will come here. If P remains here, Q will come here. This is the 3 possible conditions we are having. Okay. Next. So these are the 3 possible conditions we are having. Next is given is, yeah. So this one is done. Okay. Now we will replace. Now we will substitute the other things. So look at the P here. There has to be 3 people gap, 3 boxes gap between O and P. So 1, 2, 3, O will come here. 1, 2, 3, O will come here, and O will come here. Now O is immediately to the west of N. O is immediately to the west of N. That means see here N cannot come. Wrong. Here also N cannot come. Wrong. N will come only at this location. Now, 3 boxes gap between M and N. 1, 2, 3, M will come here. Now, which are the 2 left? R and S. As per this, we will replace here R and S. So, answer will be P, M, R, S, O, N, Q. So simple. Put it down. This is the way you have to solve the puzzles. Line by line, represent it. If you cannot represent in your directly in the diagram, then write it as a sub cases in your notebook or in your rough sheet. Next question. 7 boxes P, Q, R, S, T, U, V are kept one above the other in a single stack, but not necessarily in the same order. So 7 boxes, right? So first we will write like this: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we will write the two conditions: 1, 2. Now, box U is kept 3 boxes above box T. Box U is kept 3 boxes above box T. So this is 1 box above. See, understand one thing. Whenever the statement is saying the box U is kept 3 boxes above box T, that means there is only gap of 2 boxes. Unless and until the word between, that 3 boxes are kept between U and T, you will not going to take exact 3 count in between the U and T. So box U is kept 3 boxes above box T. That means number of boxes will be 2 in between. Only 1 box is kept between U and R. So only 1 box is kept between U and R. This two arrow means what? Direction is not known. Here U can be on the top or R can be on the top. Whereas in the U and T conditions, direction was known. It's given that U is kept above. Now, box R is kept 2 boxes above box Q. So box R is kept 2 boxes above box Q, like this. Only 2 boxes are kept between R and S. Now here, between what is given? So only 2 boxes are kept between R and S. As many boxes are kept above Q as below V. So above Q, as many boxes as below V. Now, the representation has to be done. Okay. So from where to start with? 7 boxes we having, right? One, two, three, four. This, if I take U, I kept 3 boxes above T. That means what? My 4 places are getting occupied. So I will try with this. T, 2 gap U. T, 1, 2 gap U. T, 1, 2 gap U. Okay. One more condition will arise here. U, 1, 2 gap T. So 4 condition is getting arise. Now, what I'll do? I'll take this. There has to be 1% gap between U and R. So now see, in the first case, if I take R here, there is only one option. Either I can take R here or R here. Now, if I take R here, that means I cannot take Q. That means R will not come. Again, if I take R here, then again this Q I cannot place anywhere. So in this case, nowhere I can place R. Now, because what is given? Box R is kept 2 boxes above box Q. Correct. Now, again, I can take R here in the second case. No, if I take R here, then in place of U, Q has to come, but that's not possible. So R I have to take here and Q will come here like this. Now, in the third case scenario, this is the fourth scenario. In the third case, what will happen? That R has to be here and Q has to be here. Again, R has to be here and Q has to be here. This is done. This is completed. Now, if Q is given, there is a relation of V also is given, that the number of boxes above Q is same as the number of boxes below V. So above Q, there are all the boxes in the second condition. So below V also there will be all the boxes. Now, in the third condition, above Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes are there. So below Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be there, but U is already present. So third case is also eliminated. In the statement, in the condition number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are there above Q. So 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes has to be below V, but that is also not possible. So we will eliminate this also. Now, this is done. Now, 2 boxes gap between R and S. So 1, 2, S will come here. And who is remaining? P. So this becomes your answer just by elimination. We'll see one more question today. Now, this is 8 boxes. 8 boxes are placed one above the other in a single stack. 8 boxes are placed one above the other in the single stack. That means 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just don't mind the drawing, please. Okay. Now, box N is placed 3 boxes above L. Box N is placed 3 boxes above L like this. L is just below H. L is just below H like this. Only 2 boxes are placed between H and G. So there are 2 boxes placed between G and H. Direction is not known. Box I is placed just above box G. So box I is placed just above the box G. Only 3 boxes are placed between box I. So between I and the box which is placed just below box K. 3 boxes are placed between. If K is placed here, that means 3 boxes are placed between I and the box which is placed just below box K. But this is again a conditional. Both way it is possible. So on the top way, how it will take K, then this empty box, then 1, 2, 3, and then I. It will look like this from the upper side, and for the lower side, it will be looking like this. Next, box J is placed below K. So box J is placed somewhere below K, but not immediately below. K is placed below box I. Now see, it is given K is placed, which means K is placed below box I. So this condition will be eliminated. It is given K is box H is placed below box M. So somewhere box H is placed below box M. Somewhere it is not immediately one box below, two box below, we don't know. So we will not take that. Now, how to go with it? See, look, if you look here, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places are getting occupied. And direction also is given. In this case, only 4 boxes are getting occupied. But do we have anything else? Yes. With I and G, we have the relation. So things will be getting linked up. So we'll start with the first case. When we'll start with the first case, with this one as the replacement, the bottommost I can take as blank, then K, then 1, 2, then I. Again, I will take it as blank, then K, then 1, 2, then I. Okay. Then I will come here, K will come here, or if I comes here, K comes here, like this. Okay. See, look, if you're going to look at it, it is looking like 4 conditions are getting erased, but soon it will be eliminated. Now again, if you look here, G is immediately below I. So G will come here, G will come here, G will come here, and G will come here. Now again, 2 boxes ka gap between G and H. 1, 2, H can come here. H can go up also. Okay. So what I will do, I will not touch this part right now. I will touch this one. Because J is placed somewhere below. J is placed somewhere below K. Or if you can merge these two statements, let us say this one, I just mark it as star. This one and this one. So we will see now. If I place H here, okay, if I place H here in the lowermost, L will not come below it. That means L has to be, H has to be here. If H is coming here, where N will go? First case is eliminated. So we have to merge the two statements. Now again, if I take G here, if I place H here, okay, I can place H, L will also come and then N will come. But it is not possible if I'm taking H on the top. So in that case, H will come here, L will come here, and N will come here. In the same case, H will come here, L will come here, and N will come here. H, L, and N. So these things are replaced. Okay. Now it is given that H is below M. H is below M. So what about in the fourth condition? We don't have space for M. So fourth condition is getting eliminated. So in the third condition, M will come here. And in the second condition, M can come here also, M can come here also. But one more thing is there. If you look at this case, J has to be below K, but in second case, it is not possible. So in that case, J will come here. So this becomes the right answer. M, I, G, and K, H, L, J. Okay. So how many problems we have solved? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 puzzles we have solved. Now take down the screenshot of few questions which you have to solve. Take the screenshot of this first one. Screenshot of this second one. Screenshot of this third one. And then this fourth one. Okay. Fourth, and take one more. Fifth one. So please try this question by yourself. And in the next class, we will meet with the new type of puzzle. See, this was the box based. Okay, the box based concept is same. They are arranged in a box way. Bottommost will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it goes like till 7, 8, 9, 10, depend on the question. And the language, sometimes the language will be easy, sometimes it will be confusing. So you have to understand the language of the question, and accordingly you have to arrange in the box. Next time we will be doing floor based. We'll do the designation. We'll do the age based. We'll do the day, month, and year. Everything we'll do step by step. Okay. So till then, good night. Have a nice day.